Larger than the front elevation lets on, this Sand Creek townhome opens up graciously to over 2,600 square feet on 3 levels. Teak hardwood flooring flows throughout the main level, uniting the kitchen, dining and great room spaces. Abundant natural light filters into the 2-story great room from the sliding glass doors to the deck plus upper transom. The kitchen is a welcome hub of activity with a functional U-shape and GE profile appliances and granite tops. Upstairs is a generously sized primary suite overlooking the natural wetlands with walk-in closet and bath with vaulted ceiling. 2 more spacious bedrooms are connected by a full bath. Lower level hosts the huge recreation room with gas fireplace and slider to patio plus a large storage room. Homeowners Association covers exterior of building, roof new in 2021, landscaping, irrigation, and snow removal. Sand Creek Country Club, private membership.